Abrantie Kwame A+ aba bonten the nsem at social media. Na asema what they to social media, and I've seen a lot of people have also passed similar comments. Obibeka say, oh, asema what they to social media, no, this is not the right time. But we should move on na asema what can I yen answer the better to subscribe and click the notification bell so we hear the latest news be about one sa ebeka. Asema A+ can and say was say would they imagine maybe the actual but the tintin in the team when I'm a person me boss tremble natural say yakwa sem so dear what Troy and Kasa. Was say Ghana nanka imagine say coronavirus no nanka bibi man pe enewo. Imagine say sebe nyame ma ensi but coronavirus nanka Ghana pe enewo. Nanka ye say ebia government ebe declare lockdown and dabi nanka government won't declare lockdown because politicians no womu be hu ne se da bi womu nya yawe na womu de be kwa abrochi akoso omo ho yawe na esan se yawe no abrochi na efri e na abrochi ho kra no womu hospitals ayema e ma trese wuntumi emfa yawe ne nko ho kra mpo no Africa ha de kra yesen abrochi de ninti no politicians ne hu se da bi e was say you declare lockdown niema emebunu no womu tina fie otherwise womu de yawe no ebesan ya yen ankokrafo no yewu because yawe yi ekun nkokrafo eno ni asema A+ odi tuja ena nanado ye ni enim say we donate ne 3 months salary say sa coronavirus yemfa enka fund ne ho ne yemfa nko enti a coronavirus no na eno ena kwa me A+ eka se sa 3 months salary na nanado wa donate no wono Kwame A+ ode ne nsa esi ne bo eka se nanado na nkasa ne nkrofo ebe wia sika na bi na amama kai Nigeria asembia esi ye endrechi Nigeria for so say yesi donation a womo obon se omo wo ho ana sika ni won se Nigeria for the mo sika for sa Dangote ni Femi Otedola mo ne sa nkrofo ni na omo wo ho a no be able donate 1 billion omo wo ha no be able say Nigeria donations ya kwara na say yes Nigeria finance ministry ho ho ahye later news about omo say finance ministry ho a hye ye endra no sika na nkofo ye donation ni na sika na hye na nkofo say he mo be say mo tren say ye jimi na ti donation omo ye no mo be say mo tren say donation no mo disikani ni ekoto finance ministry ho tell say asem try yesre sa Nigeria nsem na ye ba na yesre it Kwame A+ e be say wakasi so say Ghana has so the same thing donation bebrebe including president nankasa ni donation no president nankasa nkrofo e na ebe wia na yanko asem ne so ankasa ensem a wotro ye etu social media no ma menken kan tell o say one, the disease kills old people and people with chronic diseases. I say yare no nkokrafo e na ekun. Esanso kumomo a yare e wo moso. 2, nobody can travel outside the country for healthcare. We must all stay here and use the health systems we created to treat ourselves. I say wo hwe yare we ya aba. Obi eni wo betumi etukwan. Sabe Ghana senia your health system na etino enoa na wo say yetina ho unya yare na e wo say wotina ho a wo de san ho yare. I said that is why they put all of you in a room to sleep, not because they love and care about the youth. They don't want the youth who have strong immune care. They don't want the youth who have strong immune system and won't die to spread the disease, so that they, the old greedy bastard politicians, would get it and die. I said that is why they put all of you in a room to sleep, not because they love and care about the youth. They don't want the youth who have strong immune system and won't die to spread the disease, so that they, the old greedy bastard politicians, would get it and die. See, Ghana for ye katre mo say lockdown montina fie mu dan mu na monda no. And as a politicians no mo pemo asem eno ni asem Kwame A+ e kan. See, ye nese politicians ne pemo asem, but because yare we yare bi a wo mutumi fa nko omunya yare na wo mutumi fa nko ama no ne enkoso mo ho yare nti wo mo pese mo memunu na ebi amunya yare na mo ho beto mo de beba be san wo mo nkokrafo no mo aba abewu enu hu nti na wo mo ka say lockdown munhye mo dem no. I say they are not fighting for you, they are fighting for themselves. There are some good old men in Ghana though, like His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Now we so say yes, Nana Addo dear, Ghana has say ye won nkokrafo bia wo mo de wo mo dwen memunu ne ho. Wo mo ye good. Nana Addo eka ho bi. I say very very good man. God bless him. But his people will steal everything, including his salary he donated. Montier. Was it but his people will steal everything, including his salary he donated. Not just say donation and grow for air, no. Kwame A+ can say MPP for and Nana don't grow for what mobile reality na including or no Nana salary now what they are too crano. I say MMT. Obika MMT. I don't know a abbreviation Emma BB. Mean to me more word needing, but remember the first two MMM say Moma me Sino mean to me bodino. But when you who dear Kwame A+ no person tre. Nti I say MM teacher say Moma me baby. Say baby no Tino mean to me but send your maka no what you say. It's Kwame A+ a dear term or say Moma me baby one by one. Wicked people, I am going to sleep. And no, and then asemwa Kwame A+ what they atoja wo wie and oka say discuss. I will go to the bank and take the money tomorrow. It pain you. Kwame A+ and someone what they atoja any alleging that Nana Addo's people, the politicians, MPP, will steal all the donations in Crawford area for coronavirus. Seriously, because it is Kwame A+ saying without any promotion media, I want to say kasa about things. No, most of the time they prove na me kasa because it is Kwame A+ speaking, and he didn't bring any proof to show say indeed we and there ABC you know. I mean, you don't expect me to accept it. What you say, you don't expect me to say oh Nekrese. I'd rather not want to believe this. Say ebia politician be wo like na dream po and say will be react sa donations here for coronavirus. I mean, then that would be the highest level of wickedness. Me hu wo mabra bom. Say coronavirus aba ye donation na wo politician no see wo hia hu ska. Just say why we busuanfo na we no me to omo so. And so I will seriously know what to believe what Kwame A+ is saying. I don't know what he has seen. Normally Kwame A+ has seen or has more information than us. It was just like Woba Bonten Ebeka say Mokai Emrana Woba Bonten Beka say President Nkrofobia wo motale ne ho just say wo mo gigi sikane just say insem bebre later you be hu kra say eye ne kra because even Kennedy Japan ebe confirm ya ye nia ye hu say eye ne kra no. This one there I don't want to accept, even though nipa bonifo bi ebe to me I say wo ko Nigeria sa na esi ende sa na esi, but I seriously don't want to accept. I don't want to accept say I mean ebia MPP ni bi betumi ayesa, but ye nya ye nipa da se ni do. So this is what Kwame A+ is saying. Etie for me pese munia mo trem adwen e wo comment box abranti de A+ yeah. Say obi a tese wa bo aban ye chi pa na ga first for come ho pa ewi ase asema de bia me ka trem pro for he Emma enye wo se ende wadamfo bi gina mo nchen no support wo bibi mu a emma enye wo se sa wadamfo no be gina wo nchen de bia dan ti no usumu asem bia na wo ka kire no. Those who become greatest enemies ubekwa kohwem no na one time bi they were very good friends. obi akyerɛ sɛ wɔno deɛ wɔyɛ watamfo ana wɔtamfo a wɔbɛtumi asɛe wo no wobɛkɔ asɛm no mu akɔdɔ mu esukɔ no wobɛhu sɛ ebia na one day saa nipa ko no wɔyɛ wadamfo ba wobɛyɛ ni bibi a wobɛyɛ no no saa time na ɔyɛ wadamfo no wesumu asɛm bia na wɔka kyerɛ no wesumu asɛm bia na wɔka kyerɛ no nda wabɛda ne watamfo no he knows all your secrets nti asɛm a de bia mɛka kyerɛ nkrɔfo no no ɛndɛ wohu obi sɛ wɔyɛ wadamfo a ɛnyɛ bibia na ɛwɔ sɛ wobie so kyerɛ no. You need to keep some things to yourself. You don't know tomorrow. And as our down for now, walk out some channel no. Unim say one also who be said boy and down for be. I have friends who they tell me secrets of the other friends. You ever say me wa down for be? Obon say or no na down for. Aba be catch and say Charlie, hey and there obawe obi a say obeba be catch and say Charlie and there. Hey, makofa Miguel Nechiu, oba we pa Charlie. Wo na wakoka che na danfo no. No wakate na danfo no se mo mbo so nchiro bia wo be ma wo yere wa wari o. Na wakofa oba afoforo. Na obo na da wonim say the best friend into obo na mane. I'm telling you a real life story. Into obo na mane. Say Charlie, hey, girl bia mekofa wo me yiri echi pa na girl no forget you. Girl no hey, o nice o. When you saw a catch the best friend ain't control bia. Sana down for now who say the best friend. Or no so who me say, me so me the best friend. Into a catch and I know no so be catch me. Into imagine, say ebia me so me will be me who say best friend. Na me so ma ko catch ni pa ko say he abrante we ya wawari. Unim say wo fa na yiri echi. Sa obo say kwasa obo say na na yiri na akwa akote. But no catch na down for no catch na down for ne say wo sere no mo control bia. Nadam for no so who say wo ka kyerɛ me ɛno no so ka say hey men kan true bia o me nso me ko ka true bi o nti saa na wi asete obi ye wadam for enda susu. It's the same thing with Kwame A+. He was with MPP nti na ebia nsɛm a yesusu sɛ ɛyɛ wɔ musumu asɛm nia no na wonim ɛnɛ wɔne ɔmo enya ntɔkwa no. See the way he destroys their image. And you see things like this, no, you don't know whether to believe the person or not because one, it could be that the person is speaking from a bitter place. Kwame A+ ni MPP nya asem no, ye je contract feeling sim. Nti ebetumi aba ne say ebia eno ho yaw e na wode kan nsem ato omo so. It could also mean say yes, the people were really doing it. Na esan say wo moje contract ni feeling sim ni dey say ah and dey me nso me expose mu e na ono nso kan say it could be any of the two. But I'm share more adwene or comment box. What I want you, they be the story bar. There's an underlining lesson be me person musua efrim. What I want you to learn from all this no, and I'm a catch them on. One share more adwene comment box. Ni take for me that say.